Okay, we got another video but this time it's a dumpling. Let's see what I get. 3, 2, 1.
Myself. But I love
And
it
oh, we got a glitter. We got a glitter.
for you. No, I think
Oh, he's so cute.
But maybe let's get to the outlets one day.
Get it. What should I name it? I'm gonna be naming all my dumplings. I haven't done some of her shit. I'm gonna do another video whenever I get home showing you my dumplings that you missed out on, sadly. But there might be a surprise. But this is Timmy. How do you like Timmy?
Yeah, now. Well, not right now, but one day while I'm here.
Timmy. He's so cute. Okay, bye.